Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve CPC exam practice questions related to integumentary system, that is 10,000 series. To study guidelines related to integumentary system, check the playlist CPT Integumentary series CPC exam prep. The link will also be mentioned in the description, and also don't forget to show your support to my channel by liking, sharing and subscribing to CodeMate Mastery. Let's start with the first question. A 40-year-old male is in for layered closure of wounds due to a motor vehicle accident. The patient sustained injuries to the forehead, 1.5 cm and a 1 cm wound to the eyebrow when his head hit the steering wheel. Code the service only. You can pause the video and try to solve this question by yourself. Let us check the options. Check option A, 12011. 12011 is for simple repair of superficial wounds of face, ears, eyelid, nose, lips or mucous membranes 2.5 cm or less. And the code 12051 is for repair intermediate wounds of face, ears, eyelids, nose, lips or mucous membranes 2.5 cm or less. And the code 13131 is for complex repair of forehead, cheeks, chin, mouth, neck, axillae, genitalia, hands or feet 1.1 to 2.5 cm. And the code 12001 is for simple repair of superficial wounds of scalp, neck, axilla, external genitalia, trunk or extremities including hands and feet 2.5 cm or less. In the question they have mentioned 40-year-old male is in for layered closure of wounds. Okay. So layered closure means it is intermediate repair. So here the patient sustained injuries to the forehead 1.5 cm and 1 cm to the eyebrow. Therefore for repair we have to code according to sum of lengths of repairs for each group of anatomic sites. Therefore we can add these two. That is 1.5 plus 1, that is 2.5 cm, and the repair is of forehead and eyebrow. So we can use the code 12051, that is repair intermediate wounds of face. Therefore 12051 is the right code. We'll eliminate option A 12011 because that is for simple repair. We'll eliminate option C 13131 because that is for complex repair, but in our case this is intermediate repair. And the code 12001 is also for simple repair. Therefore we'll eliminate option D. Let us move on to the next question. Read the question. Katie is seen in the clinic by Dr. Smith for several scars on her face caused by acne. Dr. Smith decides to do an epidermal chemical peel of the face. Let us check the options. Check option A 15780. 15780 is for dermabrasion, total face, example for acne scarring, fine wrinkling, rhytids and general keratosis. And option B 15781 is for dermabrasion, segmental face, and the code 15789 is for chemical peel dermal, and the code 15788 is for chemical peel facial epidermal. So which among these four codes is the right one? The right code is 15788, that is for chemical peel facial epidermal. In the question you can see they have mentioned epidermal chemical peel of the face. Since they have mentioned epidermal chemical peel, we have to use the code 15788. We'll eliminate option A 15780 because that is for dermabrasion, total face. That is not matching with the question. And option B is also wrong. And option C 15789 is for chemical peel dermal. But we have to code for epidermal. So eliminate option C. Option D is the right answer. Next question. Read the question. A 32-year-old female patient was discovered to have breast cancer on the right side. She was treated with mastectomy followed by chemotherapy and radiation. therapy. She now elects to proceed with reconstruction by TRAM flap. Choose the correct code for reconstruction. So here they are asking us to code for reconstruction. Let us check the options. Check option A, 19364. 19364 is for breast reconstruction with free flap. And 19361 is for breast reconstruction with latissimus dorsi flap. And option C, 19316 is for mastopexy. And option D, 19367 is for breast reconstruction with single pedicle transverse rectus abdominis myocutaneous, that is TRAM flap. In the question they have mentioned reconstruction by TRAM flap. So it is exactly matching with the code 19367, that is breast reconstruction with TRAM flap. Therefore, option D is the right answer. We'll eliminate option A, 19364, because that is for with free flap. That is wrong. And 19361 is for with latissimus dorsi flap. That is also wrong. And 19316 is for mastopexy. So that is also wrong. The right answer is option D. Next question. This is a very simple question. You can pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. A 24-year-old female is seen in the office for a single subcutaneous cyst that needs to be incised and drained. So we have to choose the appropriate code. Let us check the options. Check option A, 10061. 10061 is for incision and drainage of abscess, complicated or multiple. Option B, 10080 is for incision and drainage of pilonidal cyst, simple. And the code 10060 is for incision and drainage of abscess, simple or single. And in option D, the code 11400 is for excision benign lesion including margin except skin tag, trunk, arms or legs, excised diameter 0.5 cm or less. So which among these four codes is the right answer? The right code is 10060, which is in option C, because the code 10060 is for incision and drainage of abscess. In the question they have mentioned incision and drainage, and the incision and drainage is of subcutaneous cyst. In the code 10060 they have mentioned incision and drainage of abscess. Example, subcutaneous cyst is mentioned. Therefore we can use the code 10060. We'll eliminate option A, 10061, because that is for complicated or multiple. But in the scenario they have mentioned single subcutaneous cyst, and also it is not a complicated procedure. Therefore we cannot code complicated or multiple. We'll eliminate option A, and option B, 10080, is for incision and drainage of pilonidal cyst. But here they have mentioned incision and drainage of subcutaneous cyst. Therefore we should not code for incision and drainage of pilonidal cyst. Eliminate option B. Coming to option D, that is for excision of benign lesion. In the question they have not mentioned excision of benign lesion. There is incision and drainage of subcutaneous cyst. Therefore eliminate option D.